जान दे बिलो सैर करा सानू शाही किला बादशाह मस्जिद Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Sights and Sounds of Pakistan. I'm filming this from the ring road around Minar-e-Pakistan. This video is specially meant for non-Pakistanis and Pakistanis who live abroad and who are not familiar with Lahore. Minar-e-Pakistan is a beautiful place and there is a lot more to see than only Minar-e-Pakistan. अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी इस सवारी कितने तक जासी बादशाह मस्जिद शाही किला अच्छा वापस आसो ना हाँ जी वापस भी लेके हाँ ठीक है आना जाना कराएंगे एक घोड़ी का नाम ही है कोई आहो ओ क्या ना घोड़ी ना बिल्लो क्या बात है भाई सो घोड़ी का नाम है बिल्लो बिल्लो हमें सैर कराएगी शाही किला बादशाह मस्जिद चले ऊपर किसने चढ़ा यार चल बिल्लो जान दे बिल्लो सैर करा सानू शाही किला बादशाह मस्जिद कितनी उम्र है इस घोड़ी की उम्र है 4 साल बच्ची On the right side you can view Badshahi Mosque. It's a Mughal era mosque and is considered to be one of Lahore's most iconic landmarks. The mosque was commissioned by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. After the fall of Mughal Emperor, the mosque was used as garrison by the Sikh Empire and British Empire. Adjacent to the mosque, you will also find Gurudwara Dera Sahib, which was the 5th Guru of Sikhism. Let me tell you something about the Minar-e-Pakistan. It was designed by Nasiruddin Murad Khan. He was a Russian-born Pakistani architect, a civil engineer. The foundation stone was laid in 23rd March 1960 and the construction took about 8 years. And it took about 7 million rupees at that time. The money was collected by imposing additional tax on cinema, horse racing tickets at the demand of Governor of West Pakistan, Akhtar Hussain. यार खूबसूरत बना दी इन्होंने है ना ये मोटर बाइक का यहाँ पे क्या काम भाई I hope so far you are enjoying the video. The main purpose is to show the non-Pakistanis and Pakistanis who live abroad and who do not know Lahore how beautiful Lahore is, and when they come to visit Lahore they should definitely visit this spot. While you are watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and press the bell icon to stay up to date with the latest uploads. अजी कुछ स्पेशल कर रहे हैं भाई इनकी टीम आई है लगता है मैं तो बड़ा कुछ होता रोज एक दिन नहीं लगा रोज ही होना पार्क जो ही चल बिल्लो चल हेलो शाही किला बादशाह मस्जिद का चौक है बादशाह मस्जिद If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon to stay up to date.